yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my 40 experience. I'm Ife and today's video is literally how I got this look. It looks a little bit, what's going on? What is this look? It's somewhat meaningful twist out. I don't even know what to call it at this point. If you look up close, there are some twist out things there. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning back to my channel, thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's just do that now. How about that? Subscribe right now. Press pause, don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, let's get into it. The current state of my hair is very dry, so I use my Jamaican black castor oil water from As I Am to moisturize it. And then I use the Camille Rose Curl-Aid Moisture Butter. This is one of my favorite butters. Let me tell you, it is small, but it is mighty. Its quality and purpose is 10 out of 10, and you will see the results at the end of this video. It smells fantastic. It is absolutely scrumptious. And depending on where you buy it from, it can be expensive, but it's definitely on the lower side of expense. Here's a chance to see the size of the twist that I'm doing. I am keeping them quite medium sized. At the back, it's quite large. Let's not worry about that. But yes, medium sized twists in order to achieve the look that I'm trying to achieve. And I'm twisting right to the end because I want the ends to be just as defined as the middle. Yep, there are those jumbo twists I was talking about. Not sure if I've mentioned this before, but a hack that I find useful is stretching my hair with hairbands. So once it's in twists and it's slightly damp, I like to use hairbands to stretch the hair just to make sure that it doesn't shrink up.
Day 2.
So I took out the extra hairbands that I used to stretch it because when I woke up the following day, my hair was still a little bit damp. Obviously, because I've kind of squeezed it all together, my hair didn't dry as quick as it normally would. So I took out the hairbands and kind of just let it air dry. So not only has it air dried, not only is it in twists for 2 days, and not only have I used my Camille Rose Moisture Butter. Now I think this might work. My gut is telling me I've done something wrong that I don't normally do. So I carefully unravel the twists as though I am twisting it back but in reverse. I want to be sure not to pull on any hair, otherwise it will frizz. A good tip I've learned over the years is to unravel the twists before separating or fluffing them out, simply because you get a good idea of how defined the twists are, and sometimes that makes for a really good style by itself. I think I've unraveled all the twists, and as you can see, there is plenty of definition. Now I don't want to pull on them too much because it'll frizz out. So what I'm going to do is make sure my hands are oiled up. So plenty of argan oil. And by plenty, that's what I mean. And I'm just going to go in and kind of separate them a little bit and hope for the best. Another useful tip I learned over the years is to separate from the root. That way the definition is still there, but it's kind of got a bit more volume. So I'm just kind of using my hands to zhuzh it up. I'm going to take a little bit of water and just kind of spray my hairline because I'm trying to go for sleek look at the front. And I'm going to take a hairbrush and just brush. So we're taking the hair tie. Again, yes, it is a leg from a pair of tights. I am unashamed. Yes, my hand can go inside the stocking. Put it on my hairline and tie it at the back. And I'm going to use that to just begin to slide, making sure that parting is staying visible. Make it slide a little bit, not too far back. And then I'm going to bring the front of my hair ties to the front and bring it like that, and then just kind of tuck it in. And this is the final look. This is exactly why I feel not to have the need to do edges, because why should I have to? In real life it looks a lot better, but this is definitely one of my go-to hairstyles in the summer. Thank you guys for watching, I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment and all those things. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Take care, God bless.